Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to do worksheet number 4 and type when three sides and two included angles are given. If you wish to see the other videos related to worksheet 1, 2, 3, 4, you can refer to the previous videos already posted. So question number 1 we have already done. This is question number 2. ABCD quadrilateral is to be constructed. AB side, BC side, CD side are given. Angle B and angle C is given. So first, what is to be done? As I have already told, angle B and angle C are given. So you need to take BC as the base. I am going to draw the rough sketch of this. This is BC. 4 centimeter we will take. This is the rough sketch only. BC 4 centimeter. Now angle B is of 70 degree, so it will come slightly inward. This is 70 degree, and angle C is of 100 degree. It will also come little outwards, 100 degree. How much is AB? AB is 5 centimeter, that will come here. And this is CD. CD is 4.5 centimeter, and ultimately you are to join this AD. So quadrilateral will be constructed. This is rough sketch. Now we will make its fair construction. First, 4 centimeter is to be taken as base. So see here, this is 0 and this is 4. And you can label it as BC 4 centimeter. Angle B is of 70 degrees, so it is to be made with protractor. Keep the protractor in proper position, and you are making the angle on left side, so you will take this inner scale 70 degree and extend this line. This is 70 degree. At point C you are to make 100 degree, and you are making the angle on the right side, so here you need to take outer scale 100 degree, this, and join this and extend the line, arrow on both sides. AB is 5 centimeter. So AB 5 centimeter, you are to open the compass equal to 5 centimeter and cut an arc. So see, this I have kept here and open the compass tip till here. This is 5 centimeter. This is point A, and AB is 5 centimeter. Labeling also done. CD is 4.5 centimeter. So open up the compass equal to 4.5 centimeter. Keep the compass tip on C and draw an arc. This is D point and this is 4.5 centimeter, and join this. So this way quadrilateral ABCD has been constructed. Result: ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. After doing part number 1, part number 2 is also similar. So let's do. Now in place of ABCD, here you are to construct quadrilateral PQRS. Angle Q and angle R are given. So you need to make the base as QR. So as given, QR is 6 centimeter. So you have written 6 centimeter. At point Q you need to make 60 degree. So when you are to do its fair construction, 60 degree will be made with the help of compass. 100 degree, that will be made with the help of protractor. It will come like this. and PQ is 5 centimeter. Suppose here I have written P 5 centimeter and QR is given 6 centimeter. Here will come not QR, RS is given 4 centimeter. Here will come S point and RS will be equal to 4 centimeter. This and this you have joined PS. Now let's make the fair sketch of the same. This is a rough sketch. Angle Q is how much degree? 60 degree. And angle R is of 100 degree. Now we will do its fair sketch, fair construction. QR 6 centimeter. Keep the scale in proper position. This is 0 and this is 6 and draw this line segment. This is QR 6 centimeter. Angle Q is of 60 degree. I have kept the compass tip on Q and drawn this arc. Keep the compass tip here now. This is 60 degree. Extend it. At point R, with the help of protractor, you are to make 100 degree. So see, I have kept this way. For 100 degree, outer scale will be taken. Increase this line. Arrow, arrow. How much is PQ? 5 centimeter. So let's open the compass 5 centimeter. Keep the compass tip on Q and cut here 5 centimeter arc. Then 4 centimeter you are to open. And by keeping the compass tip on R, cut an arc here also. So label it. This is P and this is S. And you need to join this PS. This is joined. This is 4 centimeter. This is 60 degree. This is 100 degree. So everything is labeled. This is 5 centimeter. So construction is over. A result ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Hope you could understood both the constructions easily. If you have understood clearly, like the video, comment that. In comment box, I just wish to know that is really video helpful for making all these constructions or making the topics easy. I want your valuable comments. So do not hesitate to comment and further share the link of the videos with your friends, classmates, so that they can also find geometrical constructions easy. Thank you.